Welcome to FoodSafeR, the food safety professional digital hub designed for the scientific community. Our platform is funded by European Union. It is moderated by its users, ensuring a high-quality collaborative environment that continues to grow organically with world-class users. Let's dive into the platform. After registration with your local address, you can log in easily with your Google account and land on the main dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of all the main sections: Home, Signal Trends, Framework, Toolkit, Network, Data Lab, and Workspaces. The Home and Signal Trends keeps you updated with the latest developments and trends in food safety. The Toolkit and Data Lab offers various tools and resources. The network could keep you in contact with relevant experts, and workspaces are collaborative areas where members can interact and work together on specific topics. Here in Home, every registered member can post, participate in discussions, and explore content tailored to their interests. A positive amplification functionality to enhance user engagement is developed, and all trending topics appear first, ensuring that the most relevant and popular content is prominently displayed for users. Also, by selecting and adjusting hashtags, you can follow topics that matter most to you. Clicking on a hashtag reveals all related posts, which you can save or draft for later. On the right side, our RSS tool curates important feeds, keeping you updated with the latest news. You'll also find a notification button to track interactions, such as comments on your posts or workspace invitations. In your Profile section, you can manage your information, update your photo, and modify your interests by selecting relevant hashtags. Next, let's visit the workspaces dedicated for a mission you are trying to achieve related to food safety. Some workspaces will be restricted, requiring admin approval for access. Here, you can see a workspace dedicated to conceptualize the current digital hub, which was a living lab held in Dublin. For this workspace, 3 administrators were pointed out, and you can see them at the right side of the screen. Each workspace has discussion boards for various threads, file uploads in the repository, pictures, and more. You can organize and attend meetings integrated with video conferencing tools. synchronized with your calendars for seamless scheduling. From a meeting, you can access to the FoodSafeR private conference tool, where different collaborative tools are available. Also, our chat module enables interaction with all users, fostering a vibrant and interactive community. The chat also contains channels, which are automatically created after the setup of a workspace. Let's see it when creating a workspace, where I can add a picture related to it and hashtags related to the topic of the mission. The network section will provide a space to connect with other professionals and organizations, facilitating collaboration and knowledge sharing within the community. Our Signal Trends is another powerful feature. It tracks selected indicators from the framework, allowing you to monitor areas of interest and identify global food safety trends when analyzing Food Safety Week signals, which could become strong signals. Workspaces can be set up to discuss these signals and develop management strategies. Now, let's explore some exciting features in development. Our framework feature will enhance the platform's scalability. It categorizes risks into drivers and subdrivers, which have been categorized in the quantifiable indicators previously mentioned. For instance, selecting fungal toxins will display all related content, such as posts or workspaces, relevant experts and organizations, and resources, facilitating seamless navigation and discovery. What will appear here is content generated within the platform, including tools coded into the platform, and third, party APIS feeding into it. The Toolkit section will offer tools, resources, and training materials from third parties to complement the data needed in your workspaces to aid in your mission. The Data Lab section will allow you to connect to data sources linked to FoodSafeR, enriching your workspace with relevant data. That's a brief overview of FoodSafeR. We are enhancing the platform with more features and functionalities. Join us and be part of a growing community dedicated to advancing food safety worldwide.